Welcome back. In this video we'll be actually posing our character, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all we need a reference for that, and it's really simple. Just Google any pose that you want it. I searched for ninja poses and I got this image. Not sure that I can share this, but we can just copy the pose of this one. So just it's so simple. If you search for ninja reference ninja poses, so you will get this image in top of that. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, come up here to the pose mode and let's start the big moves. So first of all, the hip need to be down, so I'm selecting these two and just keep it down somehow like this. And now move this one to this direction, or we can turn on the X, maybe it work. Yep, it work. And let's move it somehow like this, and maybe we can turn it a bit like this. So that's the first step. The second step is that the character need to be lean in front like this, or we can just simply select all and rotate that, and shift right click here and make this one to 3D cursor and rotate that. But I think it's having some issues like the head, so just do it like one by one so it don't get like this. So just doing it these two, and I think this lean would be fine. Now we need the hands, so let's move this one here, and now make sure to turn off this one because we don't need mirror for that. And something like this. Okay, now we can rotate this one with Z because we need to hand over the sword to this one. Okay, this hand should be back, and rotate that with the Z direction. And in front one, okay, select this one and move it a bit up. Somehow like this. Now the head need to be to the front like this, and also move this one down because I think the neck is somehow a bit long and it's not looking that right, so it must be somehow like this. Okay, and now go to the object mode and select this one and rotate that, move this here, and let's try to hand over this one. Okay, move this one here, rotate that to the Z also, and from the side view we can just rotate this here, and yep, I think it's pretty better. Also we can rotate that, or I think this seems better. Yep. Okay, one last thing we can do is that we can add some shape keys. Shape keys are basically let's just add 2+ here, and let's give it sword handed. So let's call this one handed and make the value 1. Now the magic here is that if we go to the edit mode with selected this one and we give it any shape that we want it, I would also need to add a loop here, so we have some more extra mesh. And now what I can do is that I can select the lower one, shift right click to move the cursor somehow like here, and change this one to the cursor, and come up here and turn on these options Okay, so let's just rotate that and move it up here, and now it seems more promising. So this is only for the pose, only if you are not satisfied with the with this result, so you can just do this. Somehow like this would be fine. Okay, the head need to be a bit more straight to the front, so it's looking to the front camera. Maybe we can change the head somehow like this. It's also looking fine, but we'll leave the rest as it is. Okay, now we can refine it more by moving these pyramids to just do some extra effort. And let's see how much we can improve that. Yeah, I think this seems fine, and yep, that's it for the pose. Yeah, that's it for the pose, and in the next one we will render it out. So see you in that. Bye for now.